Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. And sorry for the long wait of videos, but I am now back. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing today is, since I haven't done a project with this stuff in a while, this is Milliput. I haven't done a project with this in a while. I think the last one I did was a bowl with Milliput around the edge. So I think I'm going to try and use it again. And also, guys, I would just like to say I really do appreciate all your support. So yeah, I've got this box of Milliput here, and then I've got a load of others as well in the room back there where I keep all the stuff. So let's see what I can do with some Milliput today. So I really hope you guys are going to enjoy this video here today. And without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, so I've just sanded this now to 300, down to 300 grit. So now what I'm going to do is just apply some sanding sealer, Yorkshire grit and sheller wax. Okay guys, so as you can see, I have just used this tool and I have shaped it a bit. It's shaped a bit different than the other pots that I've made. It's like a barrel-y kind of shape, and this bit's like a bit concave and all that. I think that looks quite nice. I'm still yet to take this bit off though. I am gonna like cut this off here because it's like messed up and stuff. Okay guys, so as you can see, I have just taken the tenon off of this off the top of the lid, and so now what I'm gonna do is for the Milliput, what I thought is, so I'm just gonna, so maybe about here-ish, I'm just gonna take like, I'm gonna go in a little bit and just take out this whole middle bit here, and then I'm gonna get some Milliput. I'm gonna fill this little place here with some Milliput, and I hope it's gonna look quite nice. Okay guys, so as you can see, I have all the Milliput here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use I'm going to take a little bit from each one of these different colours, and then I'm going to mix them all together. Okay guys, so as you can see, I've now mixed up all 5 of these colours. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to combine them all and then put them in the top of this pot. Guys, so here we go. I've now merged all this Milliput together, and I honestly think it looks really cool. I really hope you guys are going to think that this is going to be a good project. Now I'm just going to leave this overnight, and then I'm going to come back tomorrow and finish it off. Okay guys, so I've just finished sanding this down to 400 grit. The Milliput is all dried now, so it's ready to it's ready to get all the other stuff on it. So what I'm going to do is put some sanding sealer, some Yorkshire grit, and some shadow wax on it to really shine it up. Okay guys, so here we are. As you can see, it's very nice and shiny. And I think this Milliput in the top here turned out to be really good. I've never used Milliput before in this kind of way, but it makes cool patterns. Let me know what you guys think of this in the comments below. So the lids can be difficult to take off, but it takes like a couple tries. The lid is actually very, very stiff, so you've got to like pry it open a little bit. And there we go. So as you can see, here's the inside here. We've got the lid here. Like honestly, the top of the lid I think looks really nice, and obviously it's quite good. It's not gonna fall off. I think it looks pretty cool. Thank you guys so much for watching this video here today. I really do appreciate all of your guys' support. And if you could share this video with your friends, I would greatly appreciate that. And also, guys, don't forget, Make Essentials on in August, on the 7th and 8th of August. So I will be there, and there's going to be loads of other makers there as well, like Jimmy Duresta, Bobby Duke, the Hacksmith. There's loads and loads of people. So I'm going to leave a link below so you guys can find out more about the show. Also, I want to say thank you to Milliput for sending me all of these boxes of Milliput. They are really great. I will leave a link below where you can get some Milliput for yourself. Thank you guys so much for watching this video here today, and I'll see you guys next time with another video with Charlie the Maker.